Hi there, welcome to MacTech EDU. If you are thinking to buy a new AC, means air conditioner for your home or office, you are watching the correct video. Once upon a time, it was considered as luxury in the house, but nowadays it becomes very much essential in our day-to-day life as the environment becomes very hot since last several years. It is very difficult for people, especially for millennial and after generation, to live without AC. In this video, you will learn some basic knowledge about the air conditioning system which has to select most appropriate AC. So let's see, except price of the AC, what are the other key parameters we need to take into consideration before we buy any new AC. So stay tuned and let's get started. The first parameter is room size and unit capacity. The first question comes in your mind about the capacity of AC, whether to go with 1 ton, 1.5 ton or any other. Before select any, just check the size of your room in which you want to install the same, because for office or home, generally ACs are available in standard capacity as 0.8 ton, 1 ton, 1.5 ton and 2 ton. So depends on this room size, you should select the correct capacity to get best performance. For example, if room size is less than 90 square feet, then 0.8 ton is good. For room size between 91 to 120 square feet, 1 ton will work. In case of size of 121 to 190, you need to select 1.5 ton, and in case of larger room, it is recommended that you should select AC with 2 ton capacity. Second parameter is the type of air conditioner. In market, generally three different type of ACs are available, such as window, split and portable. Window ACs are generally cheaper and installed in window, but it makes more noise. This type of ACs are suitable for small room. Split ACs are widely used nowadays due to appearance and availability. It comes in two units as outdoor unit and indoor unit. It also consumes less space, and indoor unit also add aesthetic look to the room without making much noise. It has a good flow of air and comparatively costlier than window AC. Nowadays, portable ACs are also available. According to its name, you can transfer the same from one place to another place easily. Installation is not required at any fixed place, hence can be usable at any place. The third parameter is star ratings. Electricity consumption is very important in recent times. So before we buy any electronic item, we should check its star ratings. In general, you will find ACs in 2 star, 3 star, 4 star and 5 star ratings. More star means you will need to pay less electricity bill. However, the price of the same AC is comparatively more. For example, ACs with 5 star ratings consumes less electricity but price is also more. Next parameter is air filter flow and swing. Air filter plays significant role in the selection because it removes the dust particles and other impurities available in the room air that we breathe in. So standard and good quality filters are recommended. Proper airflow is also needed to ensure rapid and correct cooling of the room. In and out air circulation in terms of CFM is important thereat. Along with that, swing movement like vertical and horizontal are also important so as to ensure cooling reach to all the occupants in the room. Fifth parameter is auto turn on of timer and Wi-Fi. Nowadays, all the models are available with auto turn on and off facility with timer. But before you select, just confirm the same, as it helps to set specific time to turn on and off without any disturbance to your sleep. This feature also helps to save energy. More advanced models equipped with Wi-Fi are also available now. You can use your mobile phone to set a required temperature and can be turned on and off and operate remotely from anywhere in the world if connected with internet or IoTs. Sixth parameter is voltage stabilizer. This is last but not the least. If you are living in the area where there is a problem of frequent interruption and fluctuation in the supply of electricity, you should install voltage stabilizer along with the AC to protect compressor and other components of AC. It is available as per the tonnage capacity of AC. It's not a big deal, just consult the supplier while buying. Let's relook the selection parameters for your quick reference. Room size and unit capacity, then type of air conditioner, window, split and portable, then star rating, air filter, flow and swing, auto turn off timer and Wi-Fi, and use of voltage stabilizer. I hope the shared information will help you to select the best AC according to your requirement. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and press like button. For more such updates, don't forget to subscribe this channel.